In this video, we will implement livestream application with Flutter using ZEGOCLOUD. I have also written down a simple blog post. You can check it out. And also, they are offering 10,000 free minute. So check the link in description and sign up. So let's start the building process. First of all, we will set up for Android side. So open your popspec.yaml file and add a ZEGOUI kit pre-built live streaming package. Then run Flutter pub-get. After it, this package will be installed. Next, you have to go to Android app and build.gradle and you have to set the compile SDK version to 35. After it, inside Android manifest.xml, make sure to add all required permission for internet, camera, microphone, Bluetooth, etc. So just copy paste it. Then at last, to avoid any issue during release build, create a file called proguardrules.pro and add this line. After it, inside the build.gradle, under build type, you have to reference the proguard file. So that's it for the Android part. Now for iOS, I don't have a Mac, so I can't run the pod. For info.plist file, add this line to request camera and microphone permission. That's it for all setup. Now let's start building our application. For that, sign up on ZEGOCLOUD. After it, select project, click on live stream and then continue. We have two options. We can choose either one. First of all, we give name to our project. After it, for simplicity, we choose UI kit. It's creating our project, and once our project is created, we select the platform. For it, we choose Flutter, and after it, we can go to dashboard screen of our project. Here, we have app ID and app sign ID. These two are important, so make sure to copy and paste it inside one file. These two ID are necessary for communication between our application and ZEGOCLOUD UI kit. Inside API folder, inside api.dat file, I have pasted app ID and app sign ID. The project structure is very simple. I have created only two files. First is main.dat, second is livepage.dat. So in our main.dat, it is a basic template. Now we add title, we add the theme data, we add text theme, and we set use material to true. Now in our homepage scaffold, we add a simple app bar which you can see output on mobile screen. Now we add a body container, child column, and we can add a lot of widget under children. Now we create a function named jump to live page. So it takes two parameters. The first one is context and second one is boolean variable is host. It identifies whether we are going to live page as a host or as a viewer. So it go to new screen, name live page, and we send value is host and we check whether it is a host or a viewer. Now inside container, we give a little decoration. It is all UI stuff. Inside children column, we give a simple icon. Now we create two elevated button. First one to start live stream, second one to watch live stream. We create on-press property with isHost value as true on start a live stream button. After it we give a style to elevated button, and same as this button we create a second button to watch a live stream. We write a text watch a live, and in this button the isHost value is false. So in onPress property we go to jump to live page function with isHost value as false. Our main.dart file is complete. Now inside live page.dart file there is a boolean variable isHost as a parameter which we get from main.dart, and we import the necessary ZEGOCLOUD package to implement it. Now we create a user ID with current date and time which is random, and we return safe area. And here we have used a package named ZEGOUIKit pre-built live streaming package. You can check it out on pub.dev. Once we go on example, we can see how to implement it. We need app ID, app sign, user ID, username, live ID, and configuration whether it is a host or audience. So we have app ID and app sign ID from our api.dart file. We give user ID, username, live ID, and configuration whether it is host or not. Now our application is complete, and we can check it whether it works or not. Here I have connected two physical devices, and on first device I have started a live stream, and in second device I will join that live stream. So it is working perfectly fine, and in this way you can create live streaming app within minute using ZEGOCLOUD.